Hi everyone, it's Christy and welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to be talking about skincare and what you can do no matter what your age, whether you're 20 something or 70 something, what you can do to radically make an impact on your skin before you do your makeup. Skin before makeup. If you don't have hydrated, plump, juicy skin, your makeup is going to sit in that dryness in the cracks of your skin or your imbalanced skin. So I want to help you get this really radiant skin. So today I have a full makeup face because I did a Facebook Live. And for those of you that follow my channel, you know that I love Beautycounter's TintSkin. I love this foundation. It has hyaluronic acid. It really gives me a good glow. It photographs really well, and the color is just perfect. Now, if you have any suggestions for me to try a new foundation, put it in the comments below. It has to be safer. It has to be cleaner. When I had my store, I had Color Caramel, which I liked at the time. I had Vapor, which is too minerally. It's too light reflective. It just doesn't do what this does. 100% pure at the time was really good. I still really like this, but I'm open to trying new foundations and testing them out. And I've also got my TouchUp Pen, which is my favorite concealer ever. Also, like, these are my holy grails. I'll always talk about them unless I find something that's equal or better. And I am actually wearing, let's see what this one is from Bite, and it is Quince, which I adore. It's like Elsa Schiaparelli, the designer from the 30s. It is like a shocking pink. It's so beautiful. It's so pigmented, and I love this. I love this. We have some new colors coming out with Beautycounter. There's a red I haven't gotten it yet. I'll share it when I get it. As I'm getting older, I'm actually going to be 50 in March. I really like a strong, bold lip. I feel that it just brings so much life to our face because as we get older, we start to lose color, and this just packs a punch. And when you keep everything else just really clean and classic, you can wear a lip and just bring in a lot of color into your face. Okay, so now for the skincare. What we need to do, of course, like if you're on a budget, this is a really great introduction into going into safer, clean, beautiful skincare that works like the luxury brands without the price tag, but that really work. So no matter what your skincare routine is right now, I would say add this in. You can use a simple cleanser. You can use, like a rose toner, but you have to exfoliate and you have to get in there and deep clean without stripping your face. So I'm talking about the Glo Kit from Just Pure Essentials. And I have such incredible luck with my clients, and this is something I personally use, as you know. And why I love it is because it's really simplified. The whole line is really simplified. But these products have multifunctional uses. And so what you want to do is get the Glo Kit. This is the #1 kit. This is my #1 selling kit. It's the one that I recommend the most. It's the one that makes the biggest difference in the shortest amount of time. And it is the #1 thing to prep your skin so that your makeup just goes on heavenly. If you are a bride, if you are somebody that's on film, get the kit and use this like a week or 2 weeks before your special event. I promise you, you will see a difference. So it comes with a polish, and this is like a cleansing herbal mud scrub. You can use it as a mask. I'm going to talk to you all about this. It also comes with Enrich, the facial oil. This one's out. I think I have a full one over there. So it comes with Enrich facial oil and the Protect facial butter, body butter, anything butter. And I'm going to show you exactly what they do. So the polish, we accumulate all kinds of crap on our skin throughout the day. And when we are not at least deep cleansing it and exfoliating 2 to 3 times max a week. We accumulate that on like layers on top of the skin. So you can imagine when you try and put on your foundation, it's just sitting. It's not actually sinking into the skin and like really giving you that soft, beautiful look. So it's got matcha green tea, rossul, and bentonite clay. And it's like a soft microdermabrasion treatment for the skin. And they come in these little packets. And really simple, you kind of just squish it around because there's also oil in it. So it's not drying or stripping. Nothing in Just Pure Essentials strips the skin. It works because of the Ayurvedic principles. It works in harmony with your skin. It actually brings it into balance. So if you're really oily and have like pimples, or you're really dry, you have things like rosacea, it brings your skin back into balance. And that's what my clients always tell me. So you want to exfoliate because you want to get that dead skin off. You want to get in there and get any dirt, any bacteria, anything that's hanging out in your skin, and getting it out so that you have this soft baby skin. And that's what happens with this. So you kind of squish it around and you open it up, and each packet has 4 to 6 uses. You just mix it up, and it's not like a pasty black mask. You're going to have to kind of work it with your fingers, put it all over your face. I keep this in my shower, and I keep it on for about 10 to 15 minutes as a mask, so it's really pulling and extracting any junk that's in your skin. And what's left is this beautiful kind of film from the oils. Now, what we have in here is, oops, I just dropped that. We've got 3 layers of active ingredients to exfoliate, detoxify, and moisturize. So it's triple action right there. We infuse our coconut MCT oil from virgin coconut oil and with potent medicinal herbs for 2 weeks in a hot room. That's how the whole skincare line works. It's like kind of brewing. I think that's really romantic. Brewing in these bowls and then individually poured into the packages. And so you've got things like grapeseed oil and castor oil, lemon essential oil, and sage. You've got matcha green tea. You've got all of these beautiful things that are just working to get that glow back. For most skins, I wouldn't, no more than 3 times a week. So a box like this is going to last a long time. What I love to do is to actually use it as scrub mask, take it off, and then steam my face and follow up with the Enriched Facial Oil. Now, this oil is like vitamins for your skin. Seriously, vitamins for your skin. So we've got vitamins A, C, E, D3, K2, ALA, CoQ10, fatty acids, omega-3, 6, and 9, and healing herbs of papaya, calendula, lemon balm, and chamomile, which is really soothing for the skin. This has a beautiful, rich gold color, and it is your moisturizer. And so what it does is it feeds the skin these nutrients. And I'm actually going to put this right on top of my makeup. Just press it on like so, like 1, maybe 2 pumps. And it smells heavenly. It is deeply absorbed, so you're getting a lot of moisture. And like I said, it's balancing your skin, whether you're oily or excessively dry. It really just gives you the moisture that you need on a deeper level. And so those 2 things, instant. You are going to see an instant. I had a client that had a lot of scabbing, like rosacea around her nose. Within 2 days, it was gone. I had another client that had extreme red, like kind of chapped, irritated skin. Within a week, she couldn't believe it. Like she almost, I think she's going to join the company because it was that radical for her. I have clients that can't believe how lightweight it is, but how much it's changed their skin. So you'd spend a ton of money using an oil, because this has 1.4 fluid ounces in here, with some of these other lines that are charging like 150 to 200 for a facial oil. Beautiful one. So then we've got the Protect Balm, which is really the everything balm. You can use it as an eye cream, cuticle cream. You can also, if you're extremely dry and still need a little bit of moisture, you want to lock in the Enrich, you simply take the balm out, press it in your hands like so, and I'm going to show you because I'm going to put it right on my face again, and just press it in. You can, like I said, cuticles, lip balm, eye balm. You can put it on the bottoms of your feet. You can carry it with you. You just need a little bit. It's got coconut oil. It is really easy to dissolve and is just such a wonderful everything product. So lips, hands, elbows, sensitive dry spots, like I said, like rosacea or any type of eczema, anything that is super, super dry. So you get the 3 of these for $92.70, which is such a great offer because you save money by getting it in the bundle. So this is my #1 choice for any woman starting into eco beauty. Even if you have a skincare system, you can simply integrate these products in with that, with your skincare line, and you will see radical differences. It's all vegan. It is, you don't want to eat it, but you can. It is edible. There's nothing, there's no chemicals or filters, and it doesn't go rancid. So many of the other oils, they go rancid, but the way the proprietary blend in this allows it to stay without any chemicals or preservatives and stay without going rancid. But you will use it long before it would even think of going rancid, which it's not going to go rancid. So that's my tip. So whether you're in your 20s or you're in your 70s or you're about to be in your 50s like me, this is what I recommend to try, and you will love the polish. Your teen can use it, your lover or husband can use it, your girlfriend will use it, everyone will want to use it. And then, like I said, the Enrich is such a lovely facial oil. And because I've been a makeup artist for 20 years, I see when someone sits in my chair and they're not taking care of their skin. I'm not looking at them to see if they have like a big nose or they've got, hyperpigmentation, or maybe they've got a droopy lid, or maybe no eyebrows. I don't care about any of that. Makeup can fix and highlight and bring out the beauty in anyone. Well, beauty's really from the inside out. But when a woman takes care of her skin, it makes it easier for us to give her that glow without very many products. So I highly recommend this. You can go to my website. The link down below is in the it's in the link down below to go to my website. You can order it. I will find out who you are and communicate with you. You can ask me any questions in the comments below. Don't forget to follow my, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and exfoliate. Really exfoliate and hydrate. And I will love you when you sit in my chair and I do my makeup magic on you. Many blessings. Thank you.